In first video, we knew about which types of sentence structures we use in ielts writing task 2. Now, we individually discuss about these sentence structures. And I promise you every beginner level students overcome their fear in ielts essay writing. First we will know about how to apply compound sentence in essay. Strategies for using compound sentences in task 2. Use coordinating conjunctions. And, to show that two events or ideas happen together. Example, the cost of living in major cities has increased, and many people are struggling to make ends meet. But, to show contrast or a difference between ideas. Example, the government is investing in renewable energy, but some people still rely heavily on fossil fuels. Or, to show a choice or alternative. Example, people should reduce their carbon footprint, or climate change will continue to worsen. So, to show a cause and effect relationship. Example, the government implemented new policies, so the economy began to recover. Use semicolons, winky face, to separate closely related independent clauses, especially when they have a similar meaning. Example, the healthcare system is under strain, however, there are ongoing efforts to improve access to care. Use conjunctive adverbs, however, to show contrast, therefore, to show a result or consequence, moreover, to add more information, consequently, to show a consequence, nevertheless, to show contrast despite a previous statement, besides, to add further information, furthermore, to add additional support. On the other hand, to present a contrasting viewpoint. Example, the technology sector is growing rapidly, nevertheless, there are concerns about job displacement. Examples of compound sentences in Task 2 essays. Opinion essay, the government should provide more funding for public education, and it should also invest in teacher training programs to ensure that all students have access to quality education. Discussion essay, some people argue that social media promotes a sense of community, but others contend that it can lead to isolation and a lack of real-world connections. Problem and solution essay, the problem of climate change is becoming increasingly urgent, therefore, governments and individuals need to take action to reduce carbon emissions. Remember, punctuation, make sure you're using the correct punctuation, comma, semicolon, conjunctive adverb, to separate the clauses. Variety, don't overuse compound sentences. Use them strategically to add interest and clarity. Practice, write as many Task 2 essays as you can, incorporating compound sentences to improve your fluency and score.